When you travel also with a transport ventilator as a backup, or no?
Yes, yes. When I travel, if I travel to like therapy or things like that, I bring the ventilator with me. We strap it up, we put it to the back of my chair, and yeah, we take it with me. So yeah, when I go for like trips, and I'm probably gonna be starting to go on some longer trips also. So got a couple family reunions, seeing my family and things like that. So I definitely am gonna be taking the ventilator. Got a new ventilator by the way. It's called V Pro. It's a new ventilating system that that's literally just 2 years old.
Oh,
I literally got it when I got back home. Uh,
oh.
uh, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like if you can kind of see it behind me. I don't know if you can.
Yeah, the one on the right.
Yeah,
Yeah. And what's
you
it
see,
called?
you see a black machine. So it's called the V. It's called a V Pro, and it basically is like a newer version of the LTV.
Oh, oh.
As the LTV is going out of basically they don't have the parts and things like that for it anymore. But I love the LTV so much that I was able to ride it until the wheels fell off. So until they were not able to send the parts anymore and things like that, and we basically had to get a new one. I had my experience with other machines, the Trilogy, the Astro. None of those worked for me. Um, I fainted on the Astro.
Mm.
I fainted on the Astro, and the Trilogy made me start having shakes, and I needed to be bagged. But this was maybe about 11, 10 years ago, maybe yeah, 12 years ago when this occurred because we wanted to try new machines and the LTB is what worked best for me. So,
Nice. What about cough assist? Are you using cough assist at home?
yes, yes, we have a new cough assist machine also. That's also like similar to the ones that we have. We have the ones that you guys know about. That has like the suction with it.
Oh,
We have yeah we have that one. We don't have the suction with it like the hospitals do, but we have so we have the I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Hey Justice, you wanna do me a favor? You wanna get the conferences machine, just bring it up to you. Yeah, the old. Hold on, you guys. Give me one
it's okay.
sec.
We don't cause any trouble. Yeah, I was curious how often you're using that at home.
Um, well, for me, it's as needed, as needed. With this cough assist, I like it a lot better because it was a power of 45 on the old one, but with this one, it's 60. So I'm having less cough assist now.
Oh.
At most, I'm having maybe three or four. All right. So this is the one that you guys know about, right?
Oh yeah. Yep, that's the one we have. Yep.
This is the old one for us. This is basically this one's out of business.
And that's actually our new one for us. We're behind.
Really?
Yeah, that's our
Yeah.
new one. We have
All right.
old
So
ones.
I'm gonna show you the one that we're using.
Okay. Because if you like it, we might have to. We will look into that one. Oh, see, you got that. Christmas. Who makes it? Or can you see the
Sounds
name?
like sounds like a 1980s printer, huh?
Yeah, we can't. We just see
So
equipment.
okay, so B-Ways cough system.
Oh, B-Wigs. Okay. Okay.
B-Waves.
Can you move it over,
Oh, you want to move it closer to me?
please? Just so we can just see it.
Yeah, all
Okay.
right.
Thank
All
you.
right. Yeah,
Oh,
hold
that's
on.
nice.
Hold on.
So you like that one better?
Yes, a lot better. This is what it looks like.
Okay.
All right, so you can see all the things is already programmed to what it was with the old machine,
Hmm.
how the machine was. So they already got that programmed into this one.
Okay.
They got it programmed already, and you see this blue little light button on this down here. That's what makes it turn on and off.
Okay.
It can go for about 20 cycles. This
Okay.
is what it's like.
Nice. And we'll have to look into that one then, because like you said, they're not making the other one, and that's the latest version we have.
Yeah, it's heavy too. It's a lot heavier than the other one, and yeah, it's a lot more powerful than the other one. This is 2 years old, but yeah, this is what it looks like. So this is the new one. This is also 2 years old, so this is the new one that I'm gonna be using. And the old one that y'all saw and that you guys know about so well and that you guys have is the one that I'm using for a backup. And we're gonna ride that one until the wheels fall off also. If we if they so far they're trying to if we've had it for over 5 years, they're not gonna take it. So it's basically ours. So we have two ones right now. We have two of the old ones right now. One, when I was in the hospital back in February, I was using that one and a little bit of water got inside of it, so it damaged it. So it damaged it a little bit. So that's the old one. It still works, but it doesn't work as good as the backup, you know. So right now I got a backup to the backup. So if if push come to shove, uh we use this to go out. We still use over reliable to go out. So when we go out, we use that one. But the new one that you saw, the new one that you saw is the one that I'm gonna be using every day, for as long as I need to, as needed. So, and for the most part, I haven't been needing a lot of cough assist with this one because it's very powerful and it gets all the secretions out in like one swoop almost.
Mm,
But
nice.
but just in case, I just want to go through the 20 cycle thing, just to see if there's any more that comes up. But sometimes it's already done. It's already done within the first four cycle, like the first four. Yeah, the first four cycles is done. But I just go through just in case if there's anything else left down there and stuff like that. But it's very good. I like it a lot. I like it a lot, and but we still got reliable when I go to the movies or when I go to dinner with my family or things like that. If we have outings, you know, I still got that one because if we charge it, the charger is good for days. So you don't have to plug it in anywhere. You can just use it wherever you are in the theater. If I'm at a baseball game, you can use it right there. You don't need to go anywhere to plug it up unless it's low battery or something like that, or it needs to be plugged up. But the good thing is that you can charge it for as long as you want. Keep it in the charger for when you have to go out those days, so you don't have to worry about charging it. You know, going somewhere to charge it. So